Have you ever wondered where true confidence really comes from? It's not something you stumble upon or wait for. It's something you forge, one bold choice at a time, in the quiet moments when no one's watching. Forget the applause. Forget chasing approval. Real confidence isn't handed to you by the crowd. It's born in the silent hours when you choose growth over comfort and courage over fear. This is your journey, your climb to inner strength. Are you ready to discover confidence that can't be shaken? Because the confidence you're about to unlock is rooted deep within you, unbreakable, authentic, and yours. Let's begin. We've been taught to chase confidence through achievement, through likes, praise, beauty, and success. But that's not confidence. That's approval addiction in disguise. External validation is fleeting. It can boost you one day and break you the next. Real confidence isn't built when people clap for you. It's built when you clap for yourself, even when no one's watching. True confidence doesn't come from being the loudest in the room. It comes from knowing your worth, even in silence. Low confidence often has roots in emotional trauma, a childhood of being dismissed, a partner who broke you down, a moment when you started believing you weren't enough. To build true confidence, you must go inward. Acknowledge the pain. Speak to the parts of you that were silenced. Healing isn't always loud. It's often quiet, gentle, but it's powerful. Confidence grows in the same place where you once felt small, when you choose to believe in your voice again. Confidence doesn't require a breakthrough. It requires consistency. Small promises kept, boundaries honored, decisions made from courage, not fear. Wake up when you said you would. Speak up even when your voice shakes. Celebrate your growth, no matter how small. Each small win is a vote for your future self. It rewires your brain to believe, I can trust myself. And self-trust is the foundation of lasting confidence. Confidence dies in the shadow of comparison. You weren't born to be a copy. You were born to create your path, your voice, your light. Social media shows highlight reels, but your journey is sacred. You're not behind. You're exactly where you're meant to be. Instead of asking, why not me? Ask, what can I build from where I am now? Shift your energy from comparison to creation. That's where your power lives. Your inner voice is the narrator of your life. If it's filled with criticism, doubt, and shame, confidence can't thrive. So speak to yourself like someone you love. Replace I'm not good enough with I'm still growing, and that's enough. Speak kindness, speak courage, speak truth. Your words shape your reality. Train your inner voice to be your strongest ally, because when your inner world supports you, nothing outside can truly shake you. Confidence from the inside out isn't loud. It's not flashy. It's calm, certain, rooted. It's built in the quiet decisions, the daily effort, the healing, the love you give yourself when no one else does. This is your reminder. You don't need to become confident. You need to remember that confidence was always within you. Now, it's time to rise.